Palace Press Officer Claire Castro rebukes Vice President Duterte by bringing up her father's not-so-distant past. Last weekend in Cebu, Vice President Sara Duterte said that it was right for Filipinos to show their anger towards the government, as the Constitution protects the freedom of speech and expression. Castro responds to this saying,
"Unang-una, nakakalungkot po na mula sa pangalawang pinakamataas na leader ng bansa ay mukha pang nag-i-encourage siya sa mga tao na magalit sa gobyerno."
Castro also says that while the Vice President is free to express her views, she should also be more mindful of her father's faults.
Ang tanong lamang po, nung panahon ba ng kanyang ama, nagsabi rin po ba siya na maaari po kayo magalit? Lalong-lalo na po nung ang kanyang ama ay nabansagan at nabigyan po at kinilala bilang most corrupt noong 2017.